Hi parents! Since our minors don't have passwords yet, we've provided QR codes to make logging into their account simple and easy. You have two options. You can either log in on the same device as your parent account or use separate devices. Both options work just as smoothly. Start by navigating to your school's ilerno page and log in with your parent credentials. Once logged in, go to General Settings. If you prefer using the same device, then click Copy QR. Log out of your parent account. Then select Link Account. Paste the QR code. There you have it. Your minor's account will be ready to use. Now I'm going to show you the second option, which is logging in on separate devices. We're back at the general options. Grab your child's phone or tablet and scan the QR code. Once scanned, it will automatically log your child into their account. That's it. Your child's account is up and running. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.